Okay, what is up, everybody? So in today's video, we're going to be playing some Animal Company. So we're going to be just, yeah, we can actually, UFO. I've actually never played this event, so I actually know a way to get back to this map. This music kind of fire, I can't lie. So, don't ask me about this stuff. Oh, yeah. By the way, I am kind of Superman. Now, who wants to become Superman?
Oh, you left your weapons. Oh, that's not mine.
Who wants to become Superman?
We need to join a code. So I'm not
Will anybody help me mine?
Do you want to go in a YouTube video? Like a video?
Yeah.
Well, actually,
never mind.
Actually, you are already in a video. What is this?
I want to join you.
Oh, well, I'm making it. Alright, come on.
Can people give me two things? Can someone give me two things?
Can I friend you? Black, can I friend
Okay, I'll give you 2 things.
Yeah, friend you. Okay. Hold on. Oh.
I'll give you 2 things. Come here, Black. Okay, I'll give you 2 things.
No, there's 2 specific things.
What,
Can
2
someone give me a
specific-
flashlight?
I need teleport gun and goop. Teleport gun and goop.
Can someone give me a flashlight?
Okay.
M
Hey, yeah,
I sent you,
flashlight.
Black, I sent you a friend request.
SAMM1.
Okay.
Black.
So, as I was doing though, I'm going to be going to the moon.
You took my outfit. You took my
This
outfit.
moon rock, if I eat it,
No,
it
it's
sends me to the moon.
It's SAMMY.
Can someone give me a teleport gun and goop?
Yeah, because look, see, I'm now in the crashed rocket ship. So what is happening here, though?
Can someone give me a teleport gun and goop?
How do I get out of here? This is like an MRI machine. Offline. This UFO is like broken, like non-active, I guess. Not really broken. What is this, like 0 G's? What is that blue liquid? Like, does it one shot? What is it? Like, recolored lava. Ooh. This is nothing! That's like 0 damage. Oh. No, I kind of want to come over here. Yeah, whatever.
Does anyone want to beat the game? This is the last call. Does anyone want to beat the game?
Can you even beat the game? Is that even possible?
Yeah, I know how.
Please tell me how then.
Go to lake.
Just tell me how to beat the game. Come on. Tell me how to beat the game.
Go to lake and I'll show you. But you need a...
Well, I'm stuck in UFO maps. I can't.
Look.
Well, I'm stuck in the UFO map.
You want something to like climb before you...
Oh, what was that? Okay, that was scary. Oh my god.
smaller group. I can't.
Can I go to lake map?
Who wants to do a war movie?
So I've just built this. So yeah. Hey, can somebody please give me one piece of goop? I need one piece of goop.
You got one piece of goop.
Can I have one?
Here. Here
Yeah.
you go.
I can just buy it.
Yo, who wants to find out what's in my bag?
That's such a cool weapon, bro.
Hey, somebody please get me somebody
Yo,
please-
who wants to find out
Dude.
what's in my backpack?
Look, please don't steal. But hold wait, can somebody please
No,
give
I
me
just
a
wanted
plank, just a singular plank?
Yo, can someone give me some RPG ammo? Can someone give me some
I
of
need.
this ammo?
Can somebody please give me a singular plank?
I need revolver ammo. I need revolver.
Alright, come all the way down
This
to
one's
this
good
tunnel.
off.
Can you give back?
No, thanks.
A singular.
Oh
Yeah,
my
the
god.
first one, give me some RPG ammo, gets this whole bag of little items.
Oh my god.
Whee! Can I get one? Blech. Okay, you give whatever's in this bag. Blue, you give whatever in this bag.
Damn.
Blue, you give whatever is in this bag.
There's only like one person here.
Get it.
Wait.
Touch it.
But no, I know what's gonna happen.
Yeah, I know, it's an upside down orb. You need to bag it. So I don't
Arms will go like.
your arms will go like this and you'll be upside down.
Yeah,
How
I
is
know.
it that fun?
Wait, can I touch it? Wait, can I touch it? Can I touch the orb?
Yeah, I have a whole bag. See? Now your arms will go like this. Now drop it. Click your both of your drop lines. Click both of your drop lines. I'm just gonna get back to you all, okay?
Wait, I want to try and get to this area like this. Oh no, it's hard. Okay, wait.
No, you can keep it. This whole bag is so How did you get one? Thanks for this. Things must be dead. I don't get it. Yo, somebody killed me.
Bro, I'm upside down. I'm gonna try to go to moon map. Guys, I'm gonna go at moon map upside down.
Yo, can you kill me? Yo, shoot me. Shoot me. Shoot me. Wait. Shoot me with this. Shoot me with this and then give it back. Shoot me with this, then give it back. Grab it. Shoot me with it. Then give it back, okay? Yeah, ready? Can I at least get back my gun? Can I just get back my gun? Okay. Can I get back my gun, please? Yeah, sure, take the boot. Yo, watch me disappear! Pig, watch me disappear!
Hello? Wait, help.
I'm gonna get 2 empty revolvers. Why is what so big? Cause it's a big upside down hole. I got another one for you. I got another one for you. I got another one for you.
Who wants to have a hey? Who wants to do a robotic
there.
contest?
Now put it in your stash.
Who wants to
I'm
have a
trying to put it in my
robotics
stash.
contest?
It's hard.
Okay, I got it. I did it. Did I do
Do you
it?
want to have a
Guys,
robotics
Who wants to
contest?
see magic trick? Who wants to see magic
No,
trick?
I'm too broke.
Who wants to
I
see
would
magic
though.
I got a wipe revolver.
Who wants to have
Yes, sir.
a robotics contest?
I mean, I have like 2,000 nuts.
alive.
Dang, I have like 2
Wait,
million.
who wants to play? Who wants? Can somebody give me their card deck thing? Whatever this thing is.
Hey, can somebody please make do a robotics
Guys,
contest against
I'm
me?
gonna make this galaxy drill toward white. Okay, you ready? You ready?
Boo, can you get me one? Can I have a galaxy drill?
You gotta unlock it. I don't have them unlocked. I stole 2 from
How
a
do you-
store pool. You gotta unlock it. Well, I know what those
How
do.
do you